Trying to cancel your IdentityIQ subscription but feeling stuck? You're not alone. I'm Robert Smith from StepsToCancel.com, and I'm here to walk you through the cancellation process so you can avoid surprise charges and protect your privacy. Whether you're at the end of a 7-day trial or just want to switch services, canceling early is key, especially since IdentityIQ doesn't offer refunds and there's no option to pause or freeze your membership. If you don't cancel in time, you'll automatically roll into a paid plan. But don't worry, it's actually pretty simple once you know how. There are two ways to cancel IdentityIQ, and which one you use depends on where you live. If you're in California, Colorado, Delaware, New York, or Illinois, you can cancel online. Log into your account at IdentityIQ.com. Click the menu icon in the top left corner. Go to Manage My Account. Scroll down and click Cancel Membership. Follow the prompts and make sure to save a screenshot or look for a confirmation email. It's your proof in case anything goes wrong later. If you don't see the cancel option, it's likely because your state doesn't support online cancellation. In that case, you'll need to cancel by phone. Call 1-877-875-4347 during business hours, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central, Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central. When you call, let them know you'd like to cancel. Have your billing address or the last 4 digits of your SSN ready. They'll ask to verify your identity. Stay calm and polite, but be clear that you want to cancel. The call may take 10 to 15 minutes, and once it's done, always request a confirmation email. Before you cancel, don't forget to download any credit reports you want to keep. Once your account is closed, you'll lose access to them. And if for some reason you don't receive a confirmation email, reach out to customer service at IdentityIQ.com or call them again to make sure everything went through. Some users also report getting enrolled without their consent. If that's happened to you, act quickly. Contact support immediately to dispute the charge, and consider filing a complaint if necessary. Canceling fast and requesting data deletion can help protect your identity. If IdentityIQ just isn't right for you, whether it's due to price or features, there are other options out there like Click-Free Score, Aura, or Experian Identity Works that may better fit your needs. For more step-by-step cancellation guides, visit StepsToCancel.com, your go-to source for making subscriptions easier to manage. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for our next video. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your cancellation.